Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel HD Forex Empire. In today's video, I will share my analysis of what is likely to happen in the Forex market this coming week using technical analysis. But before we dive into the chart, please subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell to stay updated with every video or educational content I drop. So, starting with USD card, we can spot a key level here. We can spot a key level here at this very point. This particular key level here. You can see that this key level has been touched once, twice, and we can see the third touch here. We can also spot another key level here. We can also spot another key level here. We can also spot another key level here. And also spot another key level at this very point. At this very point. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see this. We can also have a beautiful trend line here. We can also have a trend line at this very point. This very point here. So now what is likely to happen on USD card this coming week is that it's likely that price will come and test this level. Price will come and test this level, then continue upwards. But if price breaks downwards, then my target is this very point, then continue upwards. But let's see what the market will do. But in the long run, we can see that USD card is bullish. We can see that USD card is bullish in the long run. From a wider perspective, we can see that USD card is bullish. So it's likely that USD card will come and retest this very point. This very point, we can see the confluence here. We can see the trend line in the zone meeting. So it's likely that to test this very point, then continue upwards. So this is my analysis on USD card. So now looking at USD CHF also, we can see that USD CHF is in an uptrend. USD CHF is in an uptrend now. So now let's spot our key levels. So now we can spot this key level here. We can spot this zone here. We can spot this very zone here. This particular zone here. If we are to study this particular zone, we can see that price broke this zone upwards. This zone was tested once, twice. Then you can see that the third move, it broke this zone. Then came to retest this zone. Then continued upward. So now let's see whether we can spot another zone also. So we can see this very zone here also. This zone here also. No, let me modify it a bit. We can see this zone here. We can spot this key level here on the daily time frame. We can spot this key level here. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and study the price action there. So moving to the 4-hour time frame also, we can spot a trend line here. We can have this beautiful trend line here. We can have this beautiful trend line here. So now, studying the price action closely, it's likely that USD CHF will come and test this particular zone. This particular zone, then continue upwards. Now, if USD CHF breaks this particular zone, my target is this very point. So let's zoom our chart. So my target will be this very point. This very point. So my target will be this level here. So that will be my target for USD CHF if it breaks this particular level. If USD CHF breaks this level, my target to be this very point. So that's it for USD CHF. So this is my analysis on USD CHF. So now on gold, we can see that gold is in a downtrend. We can see that gold is in a downtrend on the daily time frame. Now we can spot a key level here, a key level at this very point, a key level at this very point. And if you take a close look at this key level, you can see that price respected this key level a lot. You can see a lot of weak rejection here, and later price broke that particular key level. So you can see that price broke the key level downwards, then came to retest the key level, then can see the downward continuation. So let's still spot key levels. So you can spot another key level here also. You can spot another key level here. I can see that price broke the key level again. Price broke this particular key level. So price broke this key level, came downward here. Then can see that price is retesting the key level. Then it's likely that it will continue downwards. But we can also spot another key level here. We can spot another key level here at this very point. Can spot another key level here. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and study the price action there also. So on the 4-hour time frame also, on the 4-hour time frame also, we can have a trend line here. We can have a trend line here. Let me modify my trend line a bit. Now let's try to treat the trend line as a zone, like the way we treated our key level. So let's treat it also as a zone. Let's treat it as a zone. So let's treat it as a zone. So now let's move to the 1-hour time frame and see also. Let's move to the 1-hour time frame and study the price action there also. So looking at the 1-hour time frame, now gold is bearish. The overall trend is bearish. So it's likely that gold will come and retest this particular zone here. Will retest this particular zone, then continue downwards. Now if gold breaks this particular zone here and continue downwards, my next target will be this point. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So my next target will be here. My next target will be here. My next target will be this very point. So this very zone here. This will be my next target for gold. If gold continues downwards, this will be my next target. Here will be my next target for gold. That's between 1913.56 and 1906.65. That will be my next target for gold if it continues downward. So it's likely that gold will retest the trend line there, then continue downward. So this is my analysis on gold. So guys, looking at US 30 also, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. Looking at the recent trend of the market, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. So we can see the market doing this lower low, lower high. Then we saw the market ranging at this very point, then came to break, then created a lower low here. So it's likely that the market will create a lower high here, then continue downwards. So now, since we know the trend of the market, let's try to identify some key levels. So we can spot a key level at this very point. We can spot a key level at this very point. At US 30, we can spot a key level at this very point. this particular point, and you can also spot another key level here. You can spot a key level here also. You can spot this key level here also on US 30. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame also, we can have a trend line here at this very point. We can have a trend line here. So you can see the first touch here. Then you can see the second touch here, market respecting the trend line. So it's likely that US 30 will go up a little bit. Will go up a little bit to respect this very trend line, then continue upwards. Or if it breaks this trend line, then my target will be this point, then continue downwards. So that's my analysis on US 30. So now my target for US 30, if it continues downwards, so let me look at the daily time frame and see my analysis on US 30. So my next target for US 30 will be this very point here. This very point here. This very point here. Where it has touched already. So it's likely that it will come to that very point again. So if it breaks this level here and it continues downwards here, my next level will be this point on US 30. So here also will be my next point on US 30. So this is my analysis on US 30. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video valuable, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comments below. I will do my best to answer all your questions. You can also join my Telegram channel where I drop free signals and trade setup. The link is in the description box below. Thank you. Peace.